The desert always finds a way to keep you humble. Getting bogged in 40-degree heat was never part of the plan. But that's the thing about the Outback. It doesn't care about your plan. Quick stop at Little Lagoon. It's a stunning spot, but it's just a gateway to the real adventure further north. We've made it to the gate of Francois Peron. From here, the road ends. It's 50 kilometers of deep sand and salt pans to reach the tip of the cape.
Time for another adventure! Woohoo! This time with 2 cars.
Oh yeah! Hey! So good, so happy.
Our new mate. And I'm finally allowed legally to fly my drone. Let's hope we see some beautiful animals today. Let's do it! Adventure time!
Oh, look again! Vous aurez éventuellement besoin de changer une vitesse, d'appuyer sur un bouton et sur certains véhicules de verrouiller les moyeux. Je ne sais pas ce que ça veut dire.
For my French followers. Alright, before we go, we have some work to do. Small lagoon before, now a big lagoon. I want to see those ones. The smooth-nosed wedge fish. The dugong is so good.
I came here with one goal: find a dugong. They're elusive, rare, and high on my list. Unfortunately, we didn't spot any this time around. But that just means I have got a reason to come back. And trust me, I do. The salt pans are deceptive. They look hard, but the moment you transition back into the soft sand, you have to be in 4VD. I made the mistake of staying in 2VD after the pan, and the sand claimed us immediately.
Right, it's 41 degrees outside and we are stuck, so completely stuck.
The sand is so hot, guys. It's burning my face.
It's 42 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's crazy. We go to 12 if you can.
Yeah,
Did you try the other one? Come on, come on, come on.
Back on track. Haha. I need to swim now, it's too hot.
It's a long, slow haul from the entrance to the cape, so don't rush it. Stay at least one night. The red sand here is like nothing else, but the heat is brutal. It hit over 40 degrees the day we arrived. The scale of life here is massive. Thousands of pied cormorants lining the shores, and walrus tucked into any bit of shade they can find. From the lookout, it's a natural stadium. You can watch turtles and sharks hunting right in the shallows. We even spotted some farragolds, a reminder that even in a place this wild, there are still battles with invasive species. There are 3 campgrounds near the tip. They're basic, quiet, and exactly what you want when the sun starts to dip.
Went for a quick morning swim already. So good, it's 8 AM and it's not cold.
After getting bogged yesterday, I had to drop the pressure even further. Now we're putting a bit of air back in just to make the trek out. From the drone, the contrast between the red sand and the salt pans is unreal. It looks even better from above. Next stop, Monkey Mia. The emus here are the local welcoming committee. They literally share the dirt with you. In the afternoon, the dolphins cruise right up to the shore. It's tempting to get close, but try to keep your distance. At sunset, head to the jetty. It's a quiet way to spot turtles and sharks without the crowds. Now about the feeding. I'm generally not a fan of feeding wild animals, but Monkey Mia is different. It's a highly regulated research program. They only feed a few mature females in a tiny fraction of their daily diet so they don't lose their hunting edge. Your entry fee goes directly into the research and conservation that keeps this population healthy.
Of course, you have to cross in front of me. So we're just having our delicious breakfast. Oh my god, it's coming, guys! And then look at our visitor here. Hello! Good morning. Now we're in the cage and he's outside.
We hit a few more lookouts for one last look at the sharks before stopping at Shell Beach.
When the sun matches the weather outside definitely, yeah. So we just drove 30 minutes to Shell Beach and it's very windy now and like 15 degrees colder, I would say. And look at this. There's a reason why it's called Shell Beach. Just shells everywhere.
Thanks for coming along on this one. I'll see you in the water next time.